Yorùbá máa dá dúró.
Yoruba will stand as a nation.
Káwọn ọlọ́pàá lọ sọ fáwọn ọ̀gá wọn pé wòlíì kan sọ̀sọ́kúsọ tí Ọlọ́run rán.
I want the security personnel to go and report same that a prophet was saying what God sent him.
Yorùbá máa dá dúró lolúwa sọ fún mi.
God told me that Yoruba nation will stand.
Yorùbá máa dá dúró.
Yoruba nation shall stand.
Kí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tó wà ní gbogbo àgbáyé àti ní Brazil.
That all Yoruba lineage all over the world.
Olúwa ní kí n sọ fún yín.
The Lord asked me to tell you.
Pé kò sí nǹkan tí àwọn Fúlàní lè ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá.
There is nothing Fulani can do on Yoruba matter.
Ìjọba tó wà ń bẹ̀ yìí.
This particular government.
Olúwa lóhun ti arrest wọn láti inú ọ̀run.
The Lord said he have arrested them from heaven.
Olúwa sọ fún mi ní.
God told me.
Ohun tí Olúwa ń sọ lèmi ń sọ jáde.
I am saying what God has said.
Olúwa ní àwọn kan ti wà tóun ti arrest tóun ti kó wọn sí ìgbèkùn. A kàn ń wò wọ́n bí ènìyàn wọn ò sì ń ṣènìyàn mọ́ nínú ayé.
The Lord said many people among those that are ruling us presently, the Lord said he has catch them. We are just looking at them in physical.
Èmi ò rí pé ẹ dìbò lórílẹ̀-èdè yìí.
I've not seen any election coming up.
Kàn kó bọ̀ wá. Àwọn ọmọ wọn ló wà ń bì tó ń bá wa ṣọ́ mọ́tò. Kàn kó bọ̀ wá kàn wá fi kó mi. Èmi ò bẹ̀rù. Anybody.
I don't fear.
Ẹni tó pè mí tó sì ní ẹ̀mí mi lé èmi bẹ̀rù.
I only fear the person that called me that owes my soul.
Olúwa sọ fún mi wípé.
The Lord told me that.
Ìdí tí òun fi mú àwọn ọba kúrò, òun rò pé wọ́n máa gbọ́ràn ni, wọn ò gbọ́ràn, ṣùgbọ́n òun á tún máa ṣàwọn gan, òun á ṣàwọn léra.
The Lord said, reason why he's taking away traditional rulers was because they refused to obey him. That's why he's taking them out of the land.
Olúwa ní ọmọ mi.
In that manner.
Ohun tí mo rán ẹ sọ jáde kí gbogbo àgbáyé gbọ́.
And the Lord told me that I should tell you what he has told me to deliver to the whole world.
Olúwa ló máa ṣàwọn bíríbíríbíríbírí.
The Lord says he's going to be taking them one after the other.
Pé òun ti ń ṣàwọn bíríbírí.
The Lord said
òun máa rush wọn báyìí.
Now he's going to rush them.
Ẹ kàn gbọ́ pé ọba kan kún bí, ọba kan tún kún lọ́hùn, ọba kan tún kún wájú. Olúwa ní òun ni, òun fẹ́ jẹ́rìí agbára òun nípa orílẹ̀-èdè yìí. Nípa orílẹ̀-èdè yìí.
The Lord said he's going to manifest his power concerning this nation. That's why he has warned all the traditional rulers, but they refuse to obey God. The Lord said he's going to be taking them one after the other now.
Olúwa wí pé.
The Lord said.
Ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run lòun máa mú kúrò.
That many ministers of God.
Àwọn ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run lòun máa mú kúrò.
Many ministers of God shall be taken away suddenly.
Èyí tẹ́ expect.
Even the one that you don't even expect.
Pé ó lè kọjá lọ máa kọjá lọ.
That will go away, will suddenly depart.
Nítorí pé wọn ò bá àwọn Ọlọ́run ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́.
Because they are not working with God.
Olúwa lóhùn bínú.
The Lord said he's really angry.
Sí orílẹ̀-èdè.
To this nation.
Àti sí àwọn alágbára tó wà ńbẹ̀.
And to the powerful men in the nation.
Ẹ̀yin alágbára.
The powerful ones.
Tẹ́ ẹ rò pé ẹ̀yin lẹ ní èní.
That you are thinking that you own today.
Mo mà rí yín wípé ẹ ò mà ní ọ̀la mọ́.
I am saying you like somebody that no own tomorrow.
Olúwa ló fi rán mi.
It's God that sent me.
Mi ò sì gbowó lọ́wọ́ yín, mi ò bá yín jẹ, mi ò bá yín mu.
I'm not drinking, I'm not whining with you, I'm not collecting money from you.
Ìlú mi ni eléyìí.
This is my native town.
Orílẹ̀-èdè tèmi ní Yorùbá.
The Yoruba nation is my nation.
Ó sì ní ohun tí Ọlọ́run fẹ́ fi mi ṣe níbẹ̀.
And God has a purpose for me
Ló
there.
ṣe ń rán mi sí yín.
That's why he's sending me to you.
Tí ẹ̀ ń gbọ́.
And as you are hearing.
Ẹ̀yin ọba ń ṣe ìgbéyàwó.
The traditional you are getting married.
Inú yín ń dùn.
You are happy.
Bí ìlú ṣe rí.
With the situation of the nation.
Ẹgbà ń bọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ yín o.
The king is approaching.
Olúwa sọ fún mi.
God told me that Yoruba nation will stand.